The purpose of this training is to learn about the administration of the Gentry spelling test. The Gentry spelling test is part of the district dyslexia screening process. It is administered to students in 1st through 3rd grade who are projected to be MAP students. Students will need a blank sheet of paper and a pencil. You can find the documents that you need to administer this assessment on SSD Life, under the Schools and Academic Programs page, under Curriculum and Professional Development, SSD Schools Assessment, and you're looking for the Gentry Spelling Test folder. In that folder, you will find the monster test. This test has some information at the top, including directions for administration. You will want to follow these directions. Call out each word in the spelling list on page 2, give the sentence provided, and call out the word again. What you want your students to do is invent the spelling or use their best guess at what the spelling might be. Explain that the activity will not be graded as right or wrong, but that it will be used to see how the student thinks certain difficult words should be spelled. Be encouraging and make the activity challenging and fun. On the second page, you'll see a list of the 10 words as well as the sentences that should be said to the students. The following pages have some directions on how to score the assessment. There is a range of 5 developmental levels ranging from pre-communicative spelling to conventional spellers. And you will want to use the chart on the last page in order to analyze each of these words to find which level matches the student's attempt at spelling the words. The overall developmental level will be the level that the student scores most commonly on the assessment. On this last page, you'll see this chart, and it gives some guidance on what the word is, and then the common mistakes that the student uses on that. Do they use random letters? Then they'd be pre-communicative. Do they have something that might lead to the spelling of the word? Then they're at semiphonetic, and so on until they get out to the actual spelling of the word and they are at the conventional stage. You'll repeat this for each one of the words, and again, their overall developmental level will be the one that occurs most often. If you have any questions about the administration of the Gentry spelling test, you can contact anybody in the curriculum and assessment department, and we'd be happy to help.